In this lecture, let's dive deep into the different features of our e-commerce website. This is the home page or front page of our website with a floating menu bar along with the website logo. Then comes the 3D image, a button, customer's logo, and the services you do, your customized shop products, your team, testimonials from your customers, a parallax image with a button, and your contact details. Finally comes the footer with 4 widgets such as currency switcher, currency rates, recently viewed products, and recent reviews. The footer and the menu bar will remain the same and visible across all the pages of our website. Let's move on to the shop page, where we display the product categories followed by the products themselves. You can customize all these in the settings. Customers can sort the products via popularity, rating, newness, and price. Whenever a product is on sale, the original price is striked out and the sale price is displayed along with the sale icon on the image. Your customers will know that they are getting an awesome deal and your sales will increase. If a product has got reviews, then the average rating is displayed. If a product has various versions, such as this iPhone, which has got 16 to 64 GB variants, then the price is displayed as a range. This theme doesn't come with sidebar, whereas in Mistyle theme, which has got sidebar, we have added lots of widgets such as products on sale, filter products by color, size, internal storage, and price. These color, size are called attributes. You can create your own attribute and filters like this. Coming to individual product page, your customers can view your product's images, choose the color or storage option, and add them to wishlist or add them to cart. Along with a short description, you can also provide a long description with images and videos, etc. The description, specifications, and reviews are displayed in an organized manner. Your customers can rate and review your products here. Beneath that, we display the related products. You don't need to work hard in choosing 4 related products for each of the product on your site. WooCommerce automatically populates it based on the product category and tags. Let's move on to My Account page. This page appears differently for logged in users and logged out customers. Logged out customers see login box and register box, whereas logged in customers will see a dashboard with links to various necessary things. Let's see them one by one. Under orders, they see a list of orders they have placed so far in your website. It includes both the successful and failed orders. In case of the failed ones, we also offer them to pay easily to complete that order. If they want to view the order details of any particular order, they can click on the order number or the view button. If they had purchased or downloaded any digital content from your website, those things are available here. In case if you're wondering, yes, it is possible to sell downloadable digital contents or license to your customers through our website. They can also see their addresses, stored payment methods that they have used previously, and their account details too. In cart, they can change the quantity, apply coupons, calculate shipping, and proceed to checkout. Once a customer adds a product to cart, You can either choose to redirect them to cart or keep them on the same page to continue shopping. It's your preference. Your website works the way you wish. Once again, in the checkout page, the customer is allowed to enter any coupon codes, enter their billing and shipping details. Then they will be displayed the total price along with shipping charges, if any. They can pay via credit card, debit card, PayPal, check, bank transfer, and cash on delivery. Payment is done securely. You don't need to worry about that. We do comprehensive configuration of multiple payment gateways along with fraud testing in our course. Finally, the customers can change the currency of your site to the ones you allow, which makes your site multi-currency enabled. You can even add your own currency or cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. There are various other features that are covered in this course. You will unveil them while you watch this course. Now, let's move on to the next lecture, local versus server WordPress installation.